Number one, a grave 5 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 2, box step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 3, V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or can be done like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 4, chest box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or can be done like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 5, whip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 6, a rock step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 7, shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Number 8, the gallops or behind side cross. 1 and 2. To the right. 1 and 2. Number 9. 9 ya. Side touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And number 10, side together, side to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all. I feel like it. Don't forget, please to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.